reactions from the BJP on this. They've been, in fact, resorting to AI videos on social media. The latest one that they've put out, we're putting out on our screens. It shows the DK brothers, DK Shivkumar and DK Suresh, trying to take the CM chair. And then you have Minister Zamir Ahmed from the CM camp, from Siddaramaya's camp, applying glue on the CM chair, and then Siddaramaya sits on it. That's what they've done as an AI video. The BJP has, of course, been doing this rather cleverly of late, using AI to put out humorous takes on what's really happening. It's a Kannada video, but you can see what's happening. The DK brothers trying to grab the chair. Zamir Ahmed then puts glue, and Siddaramaya sits down. We'll play that out for you.
ಅಣ್ಣ 2.5 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಗೀತು. ಇವ್ರು ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಬಿಡೋ ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಎಂ ಕುರ್ಚಿನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರು.
ಹೂ ಕಣೋ, ಆಯ್ತು.
ನಮ್ದು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸಾಬ್ ಕುರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕಂಡಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ನಮ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಚಕ್ಕ ನಬುಲ್ಕ ಹಮೆ ಮಾಲೂಮ್ ಹೈ. ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ದು ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಅದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಿತ್ಕೋತೀರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರಾಹುಲ್ ಸಾಬ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Yardım nerede? Kalkmam için yerden. Sebebim nerede? Bitti derken her şeyin.
ಏ ಜಮೀರ್, ಇದೇನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಅಂಟ್ಕಣಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇದು.
ಏನ್ ಸಾಬ್, ಅದು ಸಿಎಂ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
The humorous take there by the BJP. But let's get to a reaction also from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this word war, a war of words quite literally between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaya. The BJP's mocked it, saying work power means more than word power. Everyone's getting into this wordplay right now that we're seeing, and now the BJP also saying that work power matters more. That's what they should be focusing on, but it's not happening. So non-stop jibes and barbs flying in thick and fast amid this fight within the Congress, which is why also you have several Congress leaders continuing to maintain we are fully united, there's no rebellion, there's no fight. But let's be very, very clear here that these MLAs have chosen sides. There are many who are backing DK Shivkumar, there are many who are backing Siddaramaya. They've picked their side and they're hoping that the High Command goes in their direction. If you look at really the numbers right now, it's definitely in favor of Siddaramaya. And I'll bring in Sagai quickly on this as well. Sagai, you know, while the BJP is talking about work power versus word power, here you're seeing an ugly fight happening on words and a lot of wordplay as a result of that. But keeping that aside for the moment, you know, ultimately it also comes down to who has the support of the MLAs, and that definitely is advantage Siddaramaya.
Absolutely, and if you notice that Siddaramaya camp is asking about the CLP meeting, if at all if there is a change, if at all the High Command wishes to change the power in the state of Karnataka, they should go for a CLP meeting, and that has been a tradition of Congress party. And even in 2013, there were 3 front runners. It was Siddaramaya, G. Parmeshwar and Mallikarjun Kharge, and Siddaramaya got the highest votes from the MLAs. But the tradition had changed in 2023 because though they called for a CLP meeting, there was no voting which has happened in Shangri-La Hotel. It was instruction which was being given from High Command stating that Siddaramaya will be the Chief Minister, and that has ended. And now the Siddaramaya camp has asked for it, whereas the DCM camp says that if you have to take a CLP meeting, you should have done in 2023. Why you need to do now when everything has been settled, when everything the promise was being made by High Command and Siddaramaya stating that after 2.5 years the power sharing system will happen? Why you need to raise the question of a CLP meeting when it comes to the change of power in the state of Karnataka?
Okay, Sagai, thanks for those details. I'd like to thank our reporters for joining us on this broadcast. Let me just round up for you all the updates that have come in so far on the story. There have been plenty of reactions, plenty of developments in the last few hours, and yet what's the constant? The High Command's pin drop silence. That's the only constant. Otherwise, there's constant churn that's being reported here in Karnataka. DK Shivkumar was in Mumbai last night, very brief visit for a private event where he said, I'm in no hurry right now. And the other side, as far as Siddaramaya goes, besides the war of words that I took you through and the constant taunts at each other on social media, Siddaramaya has reportedly made it very, very clear that Rahul Gandhi will take the ultimate decision. He's not said at any point that, look, I didn't commit to 2.5 years to be handed over to DK Shivakumar. He's not making a comment on that. But the fact is that he maintains that Rahul Gandhi will take the ultimate decision. What's happening in Delhi? Well, Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and Sonia Gandhi will be meeting tomorrow as part of the CPP. But unexpected really that there will be any sort of big development that comes in, because a number of issues, including Karnataka, will be on the agenda. So unless the Gandhis decide that, look, we want to focus a great deal on Karnataka, summon DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah, don't expect any game-changing updates or developments. Let's get you all the reactions that have come in so far.
Sir, for CM post, do you talk with Rahul Gandhi or Kharge?
No. It is my leaders. I am not in a hurry for anything.
Sir, for CM post, do you talk with Rahul Gandhi or Kharge?
No. It is my leaders. I am not in a hurry for anything.
So will this issue be resolved in Delhi, sir? Both of
There are no issues only to resolve.
So will this issue be resolved in Delhi, sir? Both of
There are no issues only to resolve.
It is High Command. They are going to meet and take whatever decision they want. And that meeting will settle everything, whatever has arisen in Karnataka. DCM naturally will meet senior leaders, senior ministers. That is quite natural. There is nothing very special in that.
देखो जी, दलित सीएम के बारे में बहुत बार बोला हूँ मैं। अभी भी ये लोग कांग्रेस वाले ये दलित लोगों को नहीं बनाता है, क्योंकि हम बहुत पहले पीछे ही देखा है। क्या बोला अम्बेडकर जी? ये कांग्रेस से जलते हुए घर है बोला। तुम जो कांग्रेस में जलता है वो ये क्या वो जल के मर जाएंगे तुम लोग बोला है। फिर भी ये लोग बहुत लोग कांग्रेस में हमारा दलित लोग है, लेकिन दलित लोगों को सीएम तो नहीं, खंडिता नहीं बनेगा ये सरकार।